Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Toyota RAV4, stock number 5976. This ran from the 12th 2012 to the 12th 2018. It has a 3ZR FE 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a 3Z FE 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front guard. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door small crease. Right front door guard. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory touchscreen media player. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.